Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious cookie, a fig and strawberry cookie that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious cookie, these are the ingredients. I have baking powder, a pinch of salt, strawberry extract, 2 room temperature eggs, granulated sugar, butter, cream cheese, all-purpose flour, and of course, the fig jam. This is everything we need to make this delicious fig cookie. So let's get started. Here I want to start first with the cream cheese that is at room temperature. Always all your ingredients need to be at room temperature. I have the unsalted butter, and I love using unsalted butter because you have control of how much sugar you add to your cookies. Well, here I'm just going to incorporate it. Once they are nice and incorporated, the cream cheese and the butter, I am ready to start adding the granulated sugar. Once you add your granulated sugar, you are going to incorporate it into the butter and the cream cheese. This cookie comes out delicious, crispy from the outside and moist from the inside. Once it's incorporated, I'm going to start by adding first 1 egg. Incorporate really good 1 egg into the butter and the cream cheese, and once it's nice and incorporated, I am ready to add the 2nd egg. Look at this. Make sure that you really incorporate the egg into the butter and the cream cheese. I'm adding the 2nd egg, and I'm going to do the same thing. Incorporate it really good. It doesn't take too long to make this delicious fig cookie. I am sure that once you make it, you're going to continue enjoying this cookie at home. Well, here I'm adding half of the all-purpose flour, baking powder, a pinch of salt, and now I'm ready to add the other half of the all-purpose flour. I am going to sift it really good until everything is incorporated. Once you see that it's you can no longer incorporate it, then you are ready to use your hand and start making your dough. You start mixing until you create a ball of dough. Sometimes if it's really cold, you need to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of just water to make your dough nice and soft. Remember, if it's really cold, you're going to need to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of just water, and it's nice and hot, then you just leave it alone and it's going to get nice and smooth. The temperature of inside your home, it has a lot to do with this dough. So here I'm already mixing. The dough is not going to be too runny. It's going to be nice and thick. And once you have it like this, look at this. You are ready to roll out your dough and start making your amazing cookie. I'm going to add a little bit of all-purpose flour on the bottom so that the dough don't stick to the bottom of the surface, and I'm going to add a little bit right on the top. And then I am ready to roll it out 1/2 inch. You want to make sure that you roll it out until it's nice and thin, 1/2 inch all around, and then you're ready to add the delicious jam inside. I am going to add the fig jam, and I'm going to add to this a teaspoon of strawberry extract. If you don't have strawberry extract, you could use vanilla extract. But let me tell you, the combination of the fig and the strawberry extract is just delicious. And then you are ready to spread everything and then roll it up nice and tight Your dough is going to be nice and flexible. I'm going to get some saran wrap and I am going to wrap the dough, put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes so it gets nice and hard, and I am able to cut out the cookies. Remember to put it in your refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. When you take it out, turn your oven on to 350 Fahrenheit, and it's gonna go in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Every oven is different, but once you start seeing the edges of the cookie getting slightly brown, they are ready. So I cut the roll in half, and now I have my baking dish already lined with some nonstick paper on the bottom, and now I am ready to cut just like that, trying that all the cookies are almost the same size. Make sure that you don't add too much jam into it, because then your cookie is going to spread a little bit from the top and you're not going to be able to see those little lines on your cookie. Remember to always preheat your oven before you add your cookies into the oven. They look beautiful. I can't wait to enjoy them. Put them in the oven. When you are ready to take them out, you'll see how beautiful they come out. Look at this. Of course, like I said, if you add too much jam, it's going to spread from the top and you're not going to be able to see the little lines. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I can't wait to enjoy. I am ready for the presentation, so I'll see you in just a little bit.
My friends, I am completely done with these amazing fig cookies that I know you guys are going to love. Especially in this cold weather, you could enjoy it with a hot tea or even with a delicious coffee. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Amazing. It's nice and crispy from the outside, but yet the flavor of the figs so penetrated and delicious. The combination of the fig and the strawberry extract, a perfect cookie made at home with lots of love. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.